Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University. And 3 years ago, I did a video on how to start and grow an eBay business. And I made a lot of money off eBay, mainly selling a lot of golf and tennis equipment. But today I'm going to update this because I received quite a few requests to do so. While I don't sell on eBay anymore, I'm going to show you really easily how to get started today doing that. Once I go to eBay, I can go over here and go down here to selling. And then once I'm in this selling module, this is what it looks like. And I sold again a lot on eBay. I have 653 100% positive reviews. How you start this doesn't change. You can go out to thrift stores, you can go to estate sales, go to anywhere where you can find stuff cheap. You can also check on eBay to see if that item has sold in the last 30 to 90 days, how much it's sold for, so you know how to price it. If you're inside, say, a thrift store and you're looking at an object, oh, this doll is new, you can check it out, take a picture of it, and scan it on eBay and see what that doll is selling for or what that item is selling for. So you know what your markup's going to be. If you're setting up a new account, like they want me to update my information here. So if I go over here and update my information, because I haven't sold on eBay in a long time, here I can set my account up as a sole proprietor using my social security number. I can use an LLC or a not-for-profit. In this case, most of you are going to use your social security number. Keep in mind that income is reported and you have to pay taxes on it. So just go ahead and click here on sole proprietorship. And once you get here, what I need to do is put in my personal information, details, phone number, things like that. If you only want to buy on eBay and don't want to sell, click on this selection here. Otherwise, click continue. Then here I can put in my information, my name, phone number, all the other stuff I need to put in, and then click submit. They're going to text you a confirmation code to confirm your identity and all that good stuff. So have them send that code over. Once you put that code in, now you're almost there. But over here, they want me to set up my payment options, which I can do, add a bank account, a debit card, in case I want to pay and sell and things like that. So you would just do that here. I'm going to skip this for now. Personal information. Here's where you put in your date of birth, social security number. Once you do that, you're ready to sell. Your bank is set up. You're set up. It's going to go by your SS number, and then you're ready to start selling. When that happens, I can go over here and create a listing. Just click on that. You can go through the how-to and get familiar with that. But what I do a lot is, if I know what I'm going to sell, I can put that in there and it will find similar items already on eBay to help me price my item. I have a 5-string sterling base that I'm thinking about selling. So if I go back over here and I just copy and paste that title and hit search, it will show me similar items on eBay. And again, you need to know what they're selling for so you can price yours appropriately. Now mine's going to be used, so I'm going to put, and make sure your descriptions are correct because otherwise you will get returns. Start bringing in photographs of what item I want to sell. And again, make sure, I can't overstate this, make sure your descriptions are correct. You can go through this and fill all this stuff out. And just take your time with these details. But if there's a similar item out there, you can get that information from those other items. And these people, a lot of them are professionals. They do this for a living. And there are people that have stores that they're so big on eBay. This is what they do. So these are just more details about the bass guitar itself. Variations. I want to put in a description here like it has 1 scratch or no scratches. You want to make sure you're accurate here. Then here I'm going to put a price. So they say that the average price is $249. On the right here, I'll make it $299. We can use eBay shipping and payment policy. I'm going to go through PayPal. Once I get that filled out and I know the pounds and weight, which I don't, but you can figure that out. You'll know that. I can donate part of the proceeds as well. I can list it or preview it. And we'll preview it because I'm not going to list it, but this is what this will look like. And I can just add more pictures, more details to it. But this is how you post on eBay, and it's very simple. And you can make it an auction, 7-day, 2-week auction, whatever you want. You can do a buy now. They can make an offer, as you can see, and you can just sell it and ship it out and make sure you ship it, insure it if it's something of value. That's how eBay works today. Also, make sure you try to define your niche. You can just find great products that you know you can make a good margin on at thrift stores or estate sales, but try to have a niche. There's one woman, I can't think of her name now, but she sells women's clothes only and a lot of old school stuff. And she's really big. She's really popular. You can also go on YouTube and type in what's hot in 2025, and there are tons of videos out here. And you can type the same thing in Google. Clothing, fitness, pet supplies, it just goes on and on. You can also sell items on Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, Shopify, you name it. My next video is going to be on the 6 side hustle businesses that you can start from home today with little or no money at all. and it's very straightforward, very simple. They do charge you a fee. Make sure you know what that fee is exactly. There are other videos out there, but I put a lot more details in my first video, and a lot of the details have not changed. So you can get more information from my first video. If you have any ideas, suggestions, or comments, please leave them below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm wishing you and your family the very best in 2025. Peace.